Hi there, teachers. I just want to walk you through an example of how to use the virtual piano to demonstrate to your students about input and output systems. So I am just at virtualpiano.net. And then what you can discuss with your students as they go through and explore the virtual piano on either an iPad or their touchscreen with their Chromebook. You can suggest things to them like, oh, okay, when I press this key on my touchpad, I have to have my mouse over that certain spot on the keyboard. And then I know that my input is that I press the button, the output is the sound. Some other cool suggestions might be to have old headphones laying around or different pieces of equipment that you could have students take apart. It would be awesome if you actually had some keyboards that they could look at the inside of to see how those different devices work. But this is a great tool to help you as you explain to your students how digital and device systems work and how they fit into their computer science.